guys, may free tollway ha. Tingnan natin kung talagang effective. Kasi December 24 to 25, 10 PM hanggang 6 AM. Kasi talagang makakalibre tayo ngayon. Sakto, may pasok tayo. Holiday. Yan, 1 kilometro na lang, Clark South. Balikan ko kayo. Dito. Ayan, nakabukas lahat. Walang RFID. Okay, free nga. Free. Free. It's free. Thank you and Merry Christmas.